Okay, it's yours, as simple as that, okay? So just relax. It's a possession charge, okay?
And I'm going to jail?
You're under arrest for possession of a controlled substance, okay?
You put in jail or I'm put to release?
It's a book and release, okay? Do you have any dope on you at all? Anything we're gonna find, all right?
Okay.
You have more dope in there? Yeah, we got more drugs. Okay, what are the pills? Don't lie to me.
Pertins.
Pertins? Percocet?
Yeah.
So another controlled substance, right? Okay. So, and a little, what is that?
Molly?
Molly?
Yeah.
I thought we were cool. Why don't you tell me you had more in your bra?
I don't want to go to jail.
I got you. Well, you're under arrest, so have a seat. I'm gonna put the seatbelt on you, okay?
Can you put in release this one?
Yeah, it's gonna be a book release for County Jail, okay?
Thank you.
I'm gonna run him as well, make sure he doesn't have warrants.
You ain't got nothing.
None? Okay.
You don't have nothing, you ain't got nothing.
Cool. Okay, and then if he was transported to the jail, then we'll go from there. Thanks. She admitted to the possession being hers, okay? And she has more drugs on her. She has Molly, methamphetamine, Percocets. So she's going to jail. You'll be released, but you're not driving this vehicle, okay? I don't believe that you're in the right mindset to be driving today. Okay?
Understand.
All right.
Can you,
They'll put me in
over and talk to her real quick?
You want to say goodbye?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell her to be up there to get her.
All right.
What's up, man?
You gonna give her a kiss goodbye? All right. What is this? Your wife or girlfriend?
Well, it's my wife's baby. We just haven't been out there.
All right. Hey, he wants to give you a kiss goodbye, okay?
You're okay. You're gonna get put in my way. 6:30. Listen, I'll be up there to get you. Okay?
Yeah, please. Up there.
I joined the Navy 2004. I was actually sent to New Orleans on a humanitarian mission after Katrina hit. During that time, I actually met my wife. She was a corpsman in the Navy. We currently have 3 beautiful children, and my main priority every day is to be the best father that I can be, and I bring that lesson to this job too. We just observed a white van roll through a stop sign back here, and it's a high crime area full of narcotics, firearms, so we're gonna get out with it. Deputy Ramirez of the Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office, how you doing? Oh, hey, how you doing, Rah-Rah?